I appreciate your appreciation. Now I'm gonna also call some people to the stage whom I appreciate. As some of you might know, I did a private songwriting and recording session with a few students this week. Can I get my gang to the stage, please? 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Wait. As much as I love y'all, y'all didn't do the songwriting workshop with us. Yes. I'm sorry, my love, but I'm gonna come dap y'all up in a minute. You good? Where were you? Hey, Andre, you got my phone? Can I see it real quick, please? It's back there? Yeah, let me see my phone. They right here. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Mic check, 3 4 3 4. Thank you. Hey, y'all make some noise for these students right now. So check this out. I'm gonna describe what's happening right now. You got it, I got you. I'm gonna do it with you. So here's what happened. In a matter of 3 hours, we met for the first time, wrote and recorded an original song from scratch, right here in this hotel.
Check.
Yeah. And now, these kids right here are about to perform for like 1,500 people. Isn't that amazing? But I also want to say this. It's nerve-wracking because it's brand new. I don't even like performing brand new songs. How y'all feeling? Let's get a vibe check. Nerves check. Everybody got it? Y'all solid? How y'all feeling? So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do this real chill, real acoustic, because I want every one of their words to be heard. Do we have your support, by the way? So the songwriting topic was around SDG 17. It's all about strategic collaboration. So the concept that we came up with is link up. When we link up, we can achieve everything from SDG 1 through 16. That's what 17 is about. It's about sewing everything up. So I'm gonna come with this chorus that I literally just recorded last night. They're gonna come with their verses. Now y'all make sure y'all encourage them, give them energy, and by them I mean us, because I need it too. So the chorus goes a little something like this. If we're gonna win, then we gotta link up. The picture of the world needs a little retouch. We can't do it alone, everybody needs us. So if we're gonna go up, and away, then we gotta link up, and away. Oh, wait. Y'all make some noise for Ada right now. You ready?
There's a war, frustration. Work together as one nation. What's the world I envision? Maximize love, decrease division. Listen to me,
noise for Ada real quick. Now, we got Miss Lilu on the front of the stage. How y'all feeling? Y'all ready for Lilu? All right, I'm gonna count you in. You ready? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Lilu.
Not everyone has the things that we have. How can we take that for granted?
That's right.
All of the time we've spent walking back, nurturing the weeds we planted.
Make some noise for Lilu, y'all. Yeah, come stand next to me. We're gonna sing this chorus together, and then you're gonna go. Hey, make some noise for Karen, by the way. Cause if we wanna win, then we gotta link up. The pictures of the world need a little retouch. Can't do it alone, everybody needs us. So if we're gonna go up, 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 and away, then we gotta link up, 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 and away.
Think about you and me, how we have housing. But what about the people who are living under the crossovers and bridges? They should have the same exact privileges. What about you and me makes us so special? Taking things for granted when we should be grateful.
Make some noise for Karen, y'all. Y'all ready for Ulrich or no? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
We deserve to be non-polluted. All the excuses are convoluted. If I can do this, we can do this. Let's help the earth make beautiful music. Cause if we work together, we can make it better. Cleaning up the ocean, this is our endeavor. If we wanna flourish, first we gotta nourish. Better now than never.
Make some noise. Come on, Ulrich. Lilo, go ahead and come back up. It is my turn, but I want you next to me while I sing. If we're gonna win, then we gotta link up. The pictures of the world need a little retouch. Can't do it alone, everybody needs us. If we're gonna go up, 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 and away, then we gotta link up, 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 and away.
What could we do if we were all together? Everyone a helping hand. All of the things that we could achieve. Everyone taking the home stand.
Make some noise for Lilo one more time, y'all. Y'all are doing great, by the way. Hey, how about my homie Sydney right here? Come on. Sydney, how you feeling?
Tired.
Can y'all give him some energy, please? 8, 7, 6, 5.
Gotta think about Wall-E. We owe that man an apology. We did that little man dirty. We've sent the grave into the earth early. We need to build a temple like Shirley. We need to have a united journey. Can't pollute the water. What about Percy? We need to suck up the trash like Kirby.
Hey, didn't they do amazing? Hey, sing this hook with me one more time if you learned it yet. Hey, if we're gonna win, then we gotta link up. The pictures of the world need a little retouch. We Can't do it alone, everybody needs us. So if we're gonna go up, 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 and away, then we gotta link up, 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 and away. All right, now let's really do the song. Come on with it. Come on, Adam.
What's the war? Frustration. Work together as one nation.
For real.
What's the war I envision?
What's that?
Maximize love, decrease division. Listen to me, cause I got one tip. Take these problems and give them a flip. You plus me, that's a partnership. You plus me, that's a partnership. Not everyone has the things that we have.
Listen to this.
How can we take that for granted? All of the times we've spent walking by, nurturing the weeds we planted.
Hey, if we're gonna win, then we gotta link up. Picture of the world needs a little retouch. Can't do it alone, everybody needs us.
So if we're gonna go up, 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 and away, then we gotta link up, 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 and away.
Think about you and me, how we have housing. But what about the people who are living under the crossovers and bridges? They should have the same exact privileges. What about you and me makes us so special, taking things for granted when we should be grateful?
We deserve to be non-polluted. All the excuses are convoluted. If I can do this, we can do this. Let's help the earth make beautiful music. Cause if we work together, we can make it better. Clean up the ocean, this is our endeavor. If we wanna flourish, first we gotta nourish. Better now than ever.
Cause if we're gonna win, then we gotta link up. Picture of the world needs a little retouch. Can't do it alone, everybody needs us.
So if we're gonna go up, 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 and away, then we gotta link up, 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 and away.
What could we do if we were all together? Everyone a helping hand. Imagine all the things that we could achieve. Everyone taking their own stand.
Come on, Wally.
Gotta think about Wall-E.
Hey.
We owe that man an apology.
Hey.
We did that little man dirty. We put the earth in its grave early. We should have been building a temple like Shirley. We need to have a united journey.
Come on.
Can't be polluting water. What about Percy? We need to suck up that trash like Kirby.
If we're gonna win, then we gotta link up. Picture of the world needs a little retouch. Can't do it alone, everybody needs us.
So if we're gonna go up, 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 and away, then we gotta link up, 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 and away. Come on, Jordan. If we're gonna go up, 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 and away, then we gotta link up, 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 and away. Hey, y'all make some noise for these kids right here.